I thought in Zootopia anyone could be anything. Flash, flash, 100-yard dash. Buddy, it's nice to see you.
Nice to see you, too.
Hey, Flash, I'd love you to meet my friend. Darling, I've forgotten your name.
Officer Judy Hobbs, CPD, how are you?
I am doing just
Fine.
as well as I can be. What
Hang in there.
can I do
Well, I was hoping you could run a play.
for you
Well, I was hoping you could.
today?
Well, I was hoping you could run a play for us. We are in a really big hurry.
Sure. What's the plate
29 T
number?
29 THD03.
Two, 9,
THD03.
T,
HD03.
H,
D03.
D,
03.
0.
3.
Hey, Flash, want to hear a joke?
No!
Sure.
Okay. What do you call a three-humped camel?
I don't know. What do you call a
Three-humped camel.
three-humped camel?
Pregnant.
Yes, very funny, very funny. Can we please just focus on the task?
Hey.
Wait.
Priscilla,
Oh, no!
Yes? Flash?
what do
No!
you call
A three-humped camel? Pregnant! Okay, great, we got it. Please just...
humped?
Arrgh!
Here,
Yes, yeah. Hurry.
You-
Thank you. 29 THD03.
Go.
It's registered to Tundra Town Limo Service. A limo took Otterton, and the limo sent Tundra Town. It's in Tundra Town!
Way to hustle, bud. I love you. I owe you.